Between my two Etsy shops, I've made over $100,000. And what I've learned over the last couple of years is that you can't list random products in your shop and hope for the best. No matter what you hear or what you read, at the end of the day, it is about choosing the right product, the one that is actually in demand and has low competition. So today I'm going to show you 5 digital products I found that are doing incredibly well and could potentially replace a full-time income if you approach them the right way. And you'll notice something. None of these are going to be the typical products that everybody talks about. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Danya, and I became a top 1% seller on Etsy in only about a year. Now I teach others here on my channel, in my online community, through one-on-one coaching and shop audits, how to do the same. And make sure you stick with me because I created a free download for you to help make sure your listings are set up to convert. But I'll get into that a little bit later. Okay, we're gonna begin strong with the Social Media Manager Template Bundle. And this will be a great product to consider offering in your shop for a number of reasons. First of all, your target customer already has that entrepreneur mindset. So that means that they're willing to spend a little bit of money to obtain the tools that they need that will save them a ton of time and help them work more efficiently. And it's already done for them. Another thing too is that price point. This item is currently on sale today, but they're pricing it today at $23.75, and that means that you wouldn't need a huge crazy volume in order to earn a decent income or revenue on a product type like this. And finally, something that I find to be very important is that this product type is evergreen, which means that it'll be in demand all year round. People are starting social media management companies and businesses all year round, and they're going to need the tools that are already made for them so they can begin to land clients, look professional, and get their business up and running. Now we're going to get into the really fun part, analyzing of the listing, breaking it down, and looking at how much revenue this item has earned. To help me do that, I'm going to be using Everbee, which is one of my favorite research tools. It's been a true game changer for me in both of my shops. If you want to try it out for free, I'll have a link below for you in the description. I am going to make my way right over here to the Analyze Listing button, and we can see that this listing has had nearly 800 sales in its 15-month lifetime. This month, it has had over 70 sales this month, bringing in over $6,700 for this month alone. I'm going to come right down here to the trend graph from Everbee. I'm going to click the drop down button and I'm going to click all time. That's going to show me the all-time revenue for this item, and it has made $76,380 in 15 months, which is very impressive. It's only one listing. So thanks to Everbee, we can see the potential here and begin thinking about what we may want to offer in our shops or what we want to sell that has that potential. And then going back to the listing, we can see here from Etsy that we have that bestseller badge and 2 people bought the item in the last 24 hours. And for number 2, we have a t-shirt mock-up bundle. I've actually purchased this mock-up bundle from my print on demand shop and I love it. I really enjoy having the images already done for me. I don't have to book a studio, take any pictures. I don't have to buy each color. It's all done for me and it helps me just make one purchase. I have everything I need and I can begin adding items to my shop. Something else to keep in mind too, that whether you're doing digital downloads or print on demand, this is a real human model in the mock-ups. They convert so incredibly well, and a lot more so than the AI generated mockups. And I think it's because those AI image generated mockups are just too perfect. They don't look real, and it's really hard for the customer to relate with it or connect with it. So I'm always going to recommend get human mockups. Now I want to show you the revenue of this one, and I think you might be pretty blown away. And we can see here that we have a 19-month-old listing with over 2,900 orders during that time frame. This month, it has had over 300 orders, earning over $11,000 this month alone. And over the lifetime of the listing, it has earned $111,632. Let's move into the next product. But before we do, I mentioned earlier that I had a free download for you. I created a listing optimization checklist. That way you can ensure that when you're adding items to your shop, that they are set up to convert, because you'll be sure that you are following the best practices recommended by Etsy. If you want your free copy, go ahead and leave the word checklist below and I'll make sure I get that over to you. All right, let's get into number 3. And that would be this really cute crochet pattern. And by the way, if you are into knitting, crocheting, sewing, the pattern product type is definitely where you want to be. This one in particular is doing very well because it's been niched down to the pet niche. It's a really cute dog sweater pattern. People are going to eat that up. And the way this seller has added even more value to their product is they included a video. This one is not on sale. The actual price is $16. Let's check out Everbee to get a bit more information. And we can see that we have a 10-month-old listing with over 9,600 orders during that time frame, which is very impressive. This month, it has over 700 orders, bringing in over $11,000 in revenue. Again, just for this month. And we can see that the lifetime revenue of the listing over a 10-month period is $158,064 from one listing, and it's not even a year old yet. I'm hoping that you're beginning to see how important it is to be intentional and strategic with what you offer in your shop. Research is everything. And in my Done For You niche club, I handle the research part for you. That way you can quit overthinking and quit feeling overwhelmed, and you can take action today. We also have a live call each month, group only tutorials and resources, and so much more. And when you join, you don't only get access to what I added this week to the group, but there are low competition, unsaturated niches, and resources going all the way back to March of 2025. I've done everything for you to get started. It's just going to be up to you to apply it. If you're interested in joining today, I'll have a link below in the description for you. And I hope to see you over there. And for number 4, we have a wedding planner bundle. And if you do not know, the wedding niche is one of the most reliable niches because people are always getting engaged and getting married. Taking a step back to look at the ideal or the target customer, a bride who is overwhelmed and trying to plan everything is going to pay anything to make her feel more organized and in control. Something really great about this particular bundle is that it includes a budget tracker, a timeline, a seating plan, and so much more. All the things that a bride is going to need to make sure that her wedding day is perfect. And again, with a price point of $9.84, you don't need to have a crazy high volume in order to earn pretty solid revenue. Let's hop over to analyze our listing to see what information we get from Everbee. It's a 24-month-old listing with over 14,000 orders. This month, it's had almost 500, bringing in over $9,400 in revenue. And the all-time revenue for this item, $271,688. We can see here that we do have that bestseller badge, and it's in over 20 cards. $271,000 in revenue earned over a 24-month time frame. And finally, we have a printable journal bundle. This one in particular has 194 pages, and that volume alone will justify the $31.78 listing price. They do have it on sale today though for $22.25, but even that amount alone reiterates what I've said pretty much with every other listing here, that you wouldn't need to have crazy volume in order to bring in a pretty good revenue for this one particular product. The journal niche and the journal product type is evergreen. It's never going to slow down, and there's always going to be a demand for it. And because they have so much here going on in the bundle with different pages, different sizes, and a lot of different templates in here, you're going to appeal to a wider range, a larger audience, which means more people landing on your listing and likely purchasing. Let's make our way over into Everbee to get a bit more information. And we have only a 5-month-old listing. During that 5-month time frame, it has over 11,000 orders. This month, it has over 1,300 orders, earning over $40,000 in revenue. And the lifetime revenue, $365,218 from one listing. And remember, it's only a 5-month-old listing. So, I mean, I don't even know what to say. I feel like me saying that I'm impressed by it would be an understatement. This is absolutely incredible. This encourages me to remember that you can really do anything on Etsy if you put your mind to it and you're strategic about it. And there we have it, 5 digital products that could truly replace your 9-to-5 income. The numbers don't lie, and you can really do this. Don't forget that if you want to fast track your shop's growth, to check out the first link below in the description to join my Done For You niche club. And if you want to grab your free copy of my listing optimization checklist, go ahead and leave the word checklist below in the comment section, and I'll make sure I get that over to you. The video on your screen right over here is about what I would never sell as a top 1% seller on Etsy. So I'll catch you over there. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.